Hello, boys and girls. We are back. We are back for another streaming session. And we're going to be making some money today. Awesome, 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 awesome. Hope you guys are doing amazing. All righty. Let's look into a couple of things. We're gonna go right straight to it and see what is unfolding. Okay. Interestingly, we had an early position. The market was trading in this zone. This was an area of imbalance. Balance. We love this movement. We thought that was a fake breakout. So when it went, the market came back. This was our entry. However, we got into it early and we got a first stop loss. But that notwithstanding, we are still paying attention how the market react around this level. We're going to probably re-enter because we are still convinced that the market is going to go down. But we might just wait time. We might just wait and let it give us a clear direction. Or it might go further up, but we just got to be patient. We got to be patient. The market broke past this level, grabbing this liquidity, this buy side liquidity. Let's see if it comes back down and go back. Then we'll make a decision. Right now, we are observing. Everything looks good, so we gotta let it bake. Let it bake. We got the first loss of the day. Perfect. It's okay. We're not tripping about it. That's trading. Trading is about managing losses. If you can't manage losses, you can't trade. All right. So we took the first loss for today. It was a little bit early. I came in early, but normally our trading time is 8:30. But I came in a little bit early, and we took that loss. But this is all right. So we are still anticipating price to come back down. This was an area of imbalance, and when an imbalance happened, the next thing is a breakout, and this breakout normally is a fake breakout. This is a liquidity grab attempt, right? And the market came down a little bit. I wasn't paying close attention. I should have closed break even, and it went a little bit down, resisting around this area, and it went back up. So our idea was still kind of valid because we anticipated this fake out and we're expecting a rebalance, and that happened, but it didn't go all the way down the way we anticipated it to happen. Right now we are still observing because apparently on the 5 minute we can still see that opportunity. Right here the imbalance happened, the market created a fake breakout and it gave us a retracement. The retracement never came all the way to the downside. Let's see how it happens right here. Now the market went back, taking this buy side liquidity. We will wait. If it comes back like this and retrace, then go back. That will be our entry. Let's wait. We gotta let it play out, but guys, we gotta let it play out. This is trading. We don't try to push anything. You have to be meticulous and wait for it to happen. We got time. We just 8:30 right now. We 8:30. This is when the banks are placing the orders and everything. So we like to trade when the banks are getting into the market, right? They are like getting the positions put together. That is the way we trade. The first 1 hour before the market open and 1 hour after the market's open. 2 hours. That's it. We like to be in the market when the banks are in the market. Okay. Let's check the news and see if we don't have anything that is worth noting. You know, you have to understand that the market has a structure, right? The algorithm is set up in a way price has to rebalance, right? There is a concept of expansion, rebalancing that happens every day. However, in a case of a news event, it upset the programming of the algorithm. And that is why we have to pay attention to see what are the news events that are likely to happen, because that could literally change everything in the market. Let's pay attention. Please like, and subscribe. We are just getting started, but I've been trading for 8 years. I was just trading low key. Right now, I'm trying to, put my knowledge out there and trade live and stuff like that. I mean, there's a lot of information that is going to be presented in this channel. Please like and subscribe. Let me know where you're watching from. Thank you. So right now, nothing interesting. We have the next 1 hour, 20 minutes, we have a PMI, that's for CAT. So we have that coming. That's nothing major, no major news. So we good. We can go back to the market. No major news. Please let me know where you're watching from. Like and subscribe. I have been trading for the past 8 years now, and I just decided to share my knowledge online. And yep. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see. Seems that we're going down, but we gotta wait. We can't be in a hurry. We can't try to pick the top, because that's a mistake a lot of people make, right? You can be right in your analysis, but if you're too in a hurry to pick the top, you can miss out. But we ain't gonna do that. We're not gonna be in a hurry. We're gonna take our time. Let's see. Let's let the market bake. Okay. All right. Let's let it bake. No hurry. We waiting for it to happen. Everything is gonna fall into place. Patience. Is this something? Should we change our understanding? Is the market still gonna go down, or our idea is invalid? Is our trading idea invalid? Is that too much of an expansion for price to retrace? It's a couple of questions that we gotta grapple with at this moment. We gotta grapple with a couple of questions. Okay. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see. Beautiful. Okay. Is the market been ongoing all the way up? Okay. Should we adjust what we're anticipating to happen? Should we adjust it, or should we just wait? I don't like it. It's a break even. Could we make something out of this? Boy, oh boy. Could we make something? What else is our idea valid? Should we change the way we are anticipating price to occur? Should we change? Should we follow the trend, or should we stick to our guns? Should we stick to our guns, or should we follow the trend? That is the puzzle that I'm grappling with right now, boys and girls. Yep, let's wait. Wait. Patience. Patience is your friend. If you can't wait, you can't trade. If you can't sit on your hands, the market is definitely not for you. Okay? The market is for people that are willing to be patient. Patience, precision, discipline. We can't do anything right now. We gotta wait. The first idea was candor, but it wasn't completed. So we had a break-even trade. Now we gotta wait for the market to come to us. We don't chase the market. We wait for the market to come to us. You know, if you're so much in a hurry, you will be the liquidity provider. Remember, you are either a liquidity provider or you are the hunter of liquidity. Where do you want to belong? Do you want to be the liquidity provider or you want to be the hunter of liquidity? We choose over here to be the hunters of liquidity. How about that? That is why we're not going to do anything stupid. That is why we're going to take our time. That is why we're going to let things to come to us as opposed to us trying to make things to happen. We got to wait for it to happen. We got to wait for it to come to us. We're not going to push anything. We're not going to try to twist, turn hands and all that good stuff. We ain't going to do that. All right. Seems like the market is onto something on the upside. Should our idea be invalid? Right now, guys, I'm perplexing, right? I'm going with these two ideas in my mind. Is this a trend or is the market gonna give us a correction? Is it just gonna be a trend? Or we can see a correction. Is this move still the fake breakout or that is the actual direction? That is the two things that I'm grappling with. Is this too much to be a fake breakout? Oh, this is the direction, but the market really want to go up. Yep, I can tell. I have to wait. I have to wait for the market to reveal its card. You know, the market got to give me something to work with. If you ain't giving me nothing to work with, guess what? Guess what I do? Nothing. Okay? If they don't give me nothing to work with, I'm not going to do anything stupid. Ain't going to do it. I'm just not going to do anything stupid. I got to wait. We got time. Come on, let's use time for our advantage. We're not going to be in a hurry. Come on, boys. You got time. We got 2 more hours. We can wait for 2 hours. If you can't wait for 2 hours, what the hell are you doing in the market? Click off. Go do something else with your life. You can't wait, bro. I just can't wait. Oh, you can't wait. You better not trade. We gotta wait. We are waiting for the market to give us an opportunity. At the meantime, everything looks fresh. We can't do anything at the moment. We are anticipating the market to go back down. That is what we're anticipating. An imbalance was created. The market went for the fake breakout. But now we are thinking, we are a little bit, is this the actual direction of the market or this is still a fake breakout? Because my concern is this pullback that happens over here and now the market keeps going up. So it's getting me to think, is that the breakout or is the market onto something else? Please let me know where you're watching from. Like and subscribe. You know, I'm streaming every day from 8:30 to 10:30. 2 hours. NQ. I've been trading for 8 years and I've just decided to start sharing my trades every day. And I also trade forex. Man, forex, we're killing it. Forex, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So I trade NQ and forex, you know. And my method of trading is like I try to trade using some institutional ideas of trading, imbalances and liquidity grab and expansion. All right. So that is where right here, when people see a lot of range happening, they don't understand what is happening. Range is an imbalance. This is a setup. When you see a range, the market, they are setting things up. They are setting things up to lure traders to come to participate. It's like they're creating the game, right, to lure you in. Because once you see a range, now a couple of things could happen. A lot of traders going to come here to short because they feel like that's a shorting opportunity. Some will come here to long, right? But it gives the market now a ground to play with and to attract traders to come so they can use their money as liquidity. So when traders come in here, they buy, the market just keeps them in this zone. At the same time, they're accumulating orders. Then what will happen is they will do like a fake tiny breakout. And guess what? A lot of buyers who think price is going up, they come back down, they grab their stop losses. And that happened for a while. When they are satisfied and they've grabbed liquidity, the next thing that happens is a manipulation. It goes back and now it retraces. However, it happened and we break even because it didn't go back the way we anticipated, but it happened. The idea was valid, but I'm still thinking maybe this, we just had like a long manipulation move and the market could give us an entry back to the downside. However, because the breakout is too long, we're not going to do anything stupid. I'm waiting to see what happens. I'm waiting for the market to give me signs that it is losing momentum to the upside. Once I see all those signs and stuff like that, then we're going to go in for a sell. At the moment, I'm not too convinced about the strength. However, if things changes, I'm going to change what I see. But now I'm still convinced we are going to the downside. You know, that's how it is. Imbalance, breakout, and we expect expansion. But now the expansion, you have to be tricky. You don't have to hurry. You got to be patient. You got to wait for it and stuff like that. Yep. Is that simple? Nothing complicated to it, but it works. It literally works. I mean, if you come, especially in the forex market, it works like magic. Yeah. So let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. Let me know where you're watching from. Please like and subscribe. We just started streaming and we're trying to take this thing to the roof. Like and subscribe and comment. Let me know where you're watching from. What are you trading? What is your trading style? Talk to me. Talk to me. All right. Interesting. Interesting. Let me go to the 1 minute and see. Oh. It looks like that move. Okay. It looks like the market has invalidated our idea. Let me see. It is moved by let me measure, because everything has to do with perimeter, right? The way the market moves in a direction, most of the things are measured, but you have to observe, you know. So let me see by how much it has moved from this area of imbalance. The market has moved by 60 points. Yep, 60 points. Is our idea still valid? Is our trading idea still valid? Like and subscribe Let me know where you're watching from. We are live right here. Upwing traders. Let's see. Don't hurry. Just wait. Relax. Be patient. Come on. I still think we're gonna go. I'm still convinced that The breakout is just taking a while, right? I'm thinking there's going to be some kind of rebalance, right? Couple of reasons. Whenever we are trading, we like to look at the correlated pair. The market, they work as a yin-yang relationship. When NQ and between NQ, Dow 30 and ES, they have like a yin-yang relationship. When one person is going up, they tend to pull the other along, or they tend to, when one person goes up for so long, they tend to look the others as a gauge for a rebalance. Right now, when we look at Dow 30, it has moved just by 6 points. The same thing applies with S&P 500. It has moved just by 8 points. However, right, NQ has moved by 48 points. It's just too much, right? So it's going to probably come back. Maybe at least 30 points. Maybe at least 30 points. Maybe. Let's see what happens. We ain't going to trip. We ain't going to do nothing stupid. Let's wait. But I'm convinced we're going to have something back to the downside. You'll be like, oh, Arnold, why don't you just follow the trend? I'm not going to follow the trend. If you want to follow the trend, go ahead and follow the trend. But I will not follow the trend because I trade market mechanics. I don't trade trend following. I trade market mechanics. That is what I trade. That is what I trade. Market mechanics. Market mechanics. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see. What is the 1 minute telling me? Okay. We are beginning to see that doji bar, kind of like an indication that maybe the market is trying to give us something, okay? But right now we are still waiting. We still believe there's going to be some kind of rebalance to the downside, okay? That is the way we trade. We're expecting a rebalance. I think this move is a trap and there's going to be a rebalance. Let's see how it plays out. And added to the fact that when you look at Dow 30, they've moved just 7 points away from the open price. You have to understand that the Dow 30 and the S&P 500, they are correlated with the NASDAQ, right? So if the NASDAQ is a little bit removed from the other pairs, it means it is out of place. There's kind of an imbalance. And when we see an imbalance, we are anticipating some kind of a rebalance because the market is a balancing equation. I know you probably don't hear all of these things, but this is a market architect, market makers. They have a goal to rebalance their books. They are the liquidity provider. And when they provide liquidity, they don't want to have a lot of the positions in one indices, or they want to have a lot of the position in one side. They don't want to have so many longs and they don't want to have so many short. Whenever they have that, they are always trying to look, where can we offload some of our position? So that is food for thought. It's strange, but that's what it is. Let me know where you're watching from. Come on, let me know. Comment. All right, let's wait. All righty. Alrighty. NQ is not NQing. Let's go. One minute to the hour. 1 minute to the hour. Is that what we're waiting for? Is that the retracement? Is it what we're waiting for, or should we wait longer? Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. Give us something. Give us something. Something. All right, it's quite at this point. At this point, this is a different market. Interesting. We got 25 minutes for markets open. Let's wait and see what happens as soon as the market open. Let's wait and see what happens. What are you trading? What do you guys trade? Interesting. All right. Let's wait 12 minutes, 22 minutes to the market open. Let's let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let the market bake. We waiting. Let's see. Let's see. Let's take a chance. Oh boy, let's see. Let's see.